Hey guys, I'm back with another video. I kind of jumped on the bandwagon and started a keto diet. I've been on it for roughly 2 weeks, but I've really been hitting it hard for the last week. And I got to where it was real confusing about the macros and all that. So I found this company out of Jonesboro, Arkansas. It's called Twisted Foods. They prepare the food for you. They'll ship it. You can pick it up there, or they will ship it to you. They had a special going to where their June and July special is $99 for 5 days worth of meals. That means you get 5 snacks for the week, 5 breakfast, 5 lunch, and 5 dinners. And it's $99. You do have to sign up for an 8-week period, and if you decide to cancel, it is $99 to cancel. So I'm going to try it out for the 8 weeks. This is the first one I picked up, and it was $107 with tax. This one was shipped, and it was $135 with tax. So it comes in boxed, ice packed, and storage here. And the first week I lost 6 pounds. I'm guessing that's good. I think it is. So let's go over here. Let's see what we got here. And what they do is they map it. They divide it out for you for days, like day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5. So let's see here. This is day 5. It's like a spinach chicken with some cauliflower. Here is day 1. It looks like beef with cheese and broccoli. They don't really say the names of what they are on them, but they figure all the factors in for you, all of your fats and all that. This is day 1. It's another chicken dish. Day 4 is zucchini. Looks like zucchini and some chicken as well. I really like chicken. And what you do is you go in there and you apply, and then you fill out a questionnaire of stuff that you like and don't like. This looks like some meatballs. This is a day 4 meal. Okay. And here's like it's like a taco salad without the shell or anything. And this is a day 2 meal. And this is a day 2 meal. And it looks like sausage, and then it's got some cauliflower. So those are my lunches and dinners. Looks like there's a couple more in here too. This is going to be a breakfast. This is a keto caramel cake breakfast muffin. This one's a breakfast muffin as well. This is day 1 and this is for day 3. So I try to keep them in order here. You should have 4 meals for each day. This is cookies and cream brownie. That's one of my snacks. This is a keto fried Parmesan Santa Fe mushroom. That sounds good. And it's a day 3. So there's 2 day 3s. And then this, let's see what these are. A protein round. It's almost like a little brownie in a cup. That would be my day 5 snack. This is a peanut butter cake batter. That's my day 4 snack. Maple cake batter. That's day 1 snack. And day 2 snack is a caramel protein round. Okay. Another day 5 is a shredded, it looks like shredded barbecue chicken with asparagus. Once you fill out the questionnaire, they make the meals up and they send you, what goes well with your stuff. Day 3, and that looks like it's some pickles, and it looks like Santa Fe beef, maybe? I don't know. It's got like bell peppers and stuff in it. And then this would be my day 2, chocolate breakfast brownie. And day 5, peanut butter breakfast brownie. Okay, so let's see what we got here. Day 4, so there's my 2 day 4s. 4, 4, 3, 3. Those 2. Day 1 there. Day 2 there. And day 5 there. So there's my 4 meals. I'll have a breakfast, and then I can have either I'll do lunch, snack, and then dinner, or however you want to do it. And like the days are numbered out 1 through 5, but I don't have to do them in order, but you do have to keep them in their group. Like number 1's here, number 2's here. Because if you start mixing them up, that's going to mess your macros and stuff up because they have them sorted out exactly how they need you to eat them. But you could do day 3 on day 1, day 4 on day 2, however you want to do it. You can mix them up that way. Just don't mix the days up. Intermingle them. Like don't put this here, like that. So what I'll do is I'll put a link below for their website, and I may even do a link for their Facebook page. Because that's how I contacted them through Facebook. They're extremely helpful. I've liked everything that I've gotten except for a few things for breakfast, but I'm not a real big breakfast eater because I work late, sleep I stay up real late at night, and so get up late in the afternoon. So by the time I get up, I'm ready for lunch. I'm not ready for breakfast. So that's the only problems I've had. But I have like substituted the breakfast sometimes. They don't want you eating outside of your box really, but I have substituted my breakfast before, skipped the breakfast in the box, and substituted it for some asparagus or Brussels sprouts or something like that. And I knew this was going to be a quick video. I just wanted to do a demo of the keto that the Twisted Foods in Jonesboro, Arkansas offers. This is not a sponsored video. I do pay. I plan on sticking with it. I'm going to stick with it for at least 4 weeks to make sure I'm getting results, and then I'll decide if I want to cancel or not, but I'm wanting to stick with it through the 8 weeks. I tried to do the meal prep myself, and then I was getting it to where I was having to cook so many different meals that it was getting really costly, or I was going to have to eat the same thing every single day, and I don't like doing that. So this is just showing you how it comes. You can go on their Facebook page, you can see how they prepare it. It shows in their kitchen how they lay everything out. Just kind of keep along with this journey. I'm going to kind of update you on mine. I may even do a unboxing every single week. Like I said, they don't tell exactly what the items are on here, but I have not gotten a lunch or dinner yet that I have not liked. There was a smoothie that I got last time that was it was my favorite. It was a Samoa smoothie. And then I had a Samoa brownie that I threw away. I didn't like it at all. And that's the only thing I've really thrown away, except for I did skip breakfasts just because I don't care for breakfast. But I hope you enjoy it. Hit the bell to get alerts, and I'll see you next time.